Hello everyone, myself Sandhya Palmur. In this video, I will explain on the topic extension principle of fuzzy sets. In a mapping provided by the general function f such that y equal to f of x, if the input x is crisp, then the resulting output y is also crisp. So this is regarding about the classical set. Now we will see about the fuzzy set. Type 1 definition. Suppose that f is a function from x to y and A is a fuzzy set on x defined as A equal to, for the element x1 grade is A of x1, for the element x2 grade is A of x2, and so on. An extension principle states that the image of fuzzy set A under the mapping can be expressed as a fuzzy set B such that B equal to f of A, and which is obtained as y1, this element the grade is assigned as A of x1, for the element y2 grade is A of x2, for the element y3 grade is A of x3, and so on. For the element yn grade is A of xn. So this f of A is the image of A, and we can obtain by using these following two steps. Step number 1. Find elements in f of A by using given crisp function. So y1, y2, y3 and so on yn. These are the elements in f of A and can be obtained by using given crisp function. Step number 2. Now grades, that is, these are the numerator. The grades in f of A can be obtained by using the formula f of A suffix y is equal to max A of xi, I equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n. So these are the two steps. First, the denominator can be obtained by using crisp function, and the respective grades can be obtained by using this formula. Now we will see example. If universal set x is given as -4 to 4 and fuzzy set is defined as like this. The crisp function is given as f of x equal to x square. By using an extension principle, we have to find image of given fuzzy set, that is f of A. We will follow the two steps. Answer. First we find the elements of f of A. So f of -4 equal to, put x equal to -4. This -4 bracket square is given 16. Similarly, for f of 4, the answer is same, that is 16. Now next, for the element x equal to -3, f of -3 equal to 9. For f of 4, the answer is 9. Put x equal to -2, so -2 square, it gives 4. Put x equal to 2, we get this element is 4. Similarly, for f of -1 equal to 1 and f of 1 equal to 1. And last, f of 0 equal to 0. Thus, 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16 are the elements in f of A. That is the denominator of f of A. Now we will follow the step number 2. We will find the grades for these elements. So first element is 0, max of A of 0. This is 0, so A of 0, and the A of 0 is, the grade is assigned, which is given in fuzzy set as 0.75. Only one element present, so the grade we get is 0.75. Next element is 1. So f of A suffix 1 is equal to max. For this element 1, there are two assigned, -1, so take A of -1 and A of 1. A of -1 in the given fuzzy set grade is 0.45. A of 1, the grade is 0.81. Max number is 0.81. For the next element 4, use formula same max of. For this element 4, we get -2 and 2. So A of -2, A of 2. A of -2, the grade is assigned as 0.4. A of 2, grade is 0.35. Max is 0.4. Similarly, for the element 9 and 16. Thus, we get resultant, the image of fuzzy set f of A is, these are the denominator which are the elements and these are the grades. So resultant, the image of given fuzzy set is again a fuzzy set. Thus, extension principle is the generalizing crisp sets to fuzzy sets. Now we will see type 2. Let A1, A2, A3 and so on An be the fuzzy sets. If two or more fuzzy sets are given and which is defined on universal sets x1, x2, x3 and so on xn respectively, if X is given as Cartesian product of these sets and f x to y which is defined as the crisp function y equal to f of x1, x2, x3 and so on xn, then an extension principle allows us to map fuzzy sets in x to y as follows, that is b equal to, for the element y1 grade is, suppose it is in general grade is a of x1, for the element y2 let us suppose a of x2 and so on, where b is the fuzzy image in y. Follow the following two steps. Step number 1. Find elements in f of ai by using given crisp function. That is, denominator can be obtained by using crisp function, which are the elements of the fuzzy set f of ai. Now, grades in f of ai can be obtained by using formula f of ai suffix y equal to max mean a1 xi, a2 xi and so on an xi. So this is max min formula. We obtain the grades for the elements where I equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n. We will see the example. Find f of a1, a2. If two fuzzy sets are given, which is defined as like this, a1 equal to and a2 equal to, and f is such that the cross product of x1, x2 to y, and this is a crisp function, f of x1, y, x2 is equal to x1 square plus x2, which is given a crisp function. Now we will find step 1, that is elements in fuzzy set f of a1 to a2. So a1, the elements are -1, 0, 1 and a2, the elements are -2 to 2. f of a1 comma a2. So there is one order we will follow. First -1 to -2. Substitute here x1 equal to -1 and x2 equal to -2. So x1 square, that is -1 square is 1 plus x2, here x2 is -2. So answer is -1. Now next -1 to 2. So put x1 equal to -1, that is -1 square is 1 plus x2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now next element is 0. 0 to -2. If we substitute in this crisp function, we get value -2. Now 0 to 2, the answer is 2. Now third element 1 to -2, we get -1 and 1 to 2, the answer is 3. Substitute here x1 equal to 1 and x2 equal to 2, we get is equal to 3. Thus elements in B, that is f of a1, a2 are -2, -1, 2 and 3. These are the 4 elements which is the common. Now we will obtain grades for these elements by using this max min formula. First element is -2. So maximum, minimum, a1. This -2 is defined for only one, this element. So a1 of 0. First is 0. So we will assign a1 of 0. Second is -2. So a2 of -2. a1 of 0. For the first fuzzy set, the membership grade is a1 of 0 is 0.1. So substitute 0.1. a2 of -2. The grade is defined as 0.4. Minimum number is 0.1 and max of 0.1 is 0.1. Thus, for the element -2, the grade is obtained 0.1. Now for -1, max min. Here for -1, two functions are present, -1, -2 and 1 to -2. Therefore, a1 of -1 to -2 and a1 of 1 to a2 of -2. Therefore, max of mean a1 of -1 from the given fuzzy set a1 of -1 is grade is assigned is 0.5, A2 of -2 grade is 0.4, A1 of 1 grade is 0.9 and A2 of -2 grade is 0.9. So minimum is 0.4. In second term minimum is 0.4 and max is 0.4. Similarly for next element 2, max min. Here 2 is element for 0 to 2. Thus A1 of 0, comma A2 of 2. A1 of 0 grade is assigned 0.1. A1 of 0 grade is 0.1. Next A2 of 2. A2 of 2 the grade is 1. So minimum is 0.1 and only one element present. So max of 0.1 is 0.1. Now last for the element 3. Again by using max min formula. Here the element 3 is for two functions -1 to 2 and 1 to 2. So -1 to 2 and 1 to 2. So first element is -1, therefore A1 of -1. Second element is 2, so A2 of 2. In second term A1 of 1 and A2 of 2. The respective grades are minimum of 0.11, minimum 0.9 to 1. So minimum number is 0.9. In second term minimum number is first is 0.5, second is 0.9 and max is 0.9. Thus B is obtained as f of A1, A2 is equal to, these denominator are the elements and the corresponding grades we obtained by using max min formula as 0.1, 0.4, 0.1 and 0.9. So this is the required answer. Thank you.